In this video tutorial, you'll be shown how to create this gorgeous marble stone effect for your cakes in easy to follow steps, as shown on this wedding cake here. You'll be shown how to cover a dummy cake, how to prepare your cakes, covering with sugar paste. You'll be shown how to cover your cake in one piece of sugar paste, no paneling. How to get sharp edges using the sharp edge smoother, as well as those perfect sharp corners. Look at that beautiful marble stone effect. You also get a video tutorial which shows you how to create the gorgeous blue stone effect here as shown on this wedding cake.